The first step in creating your own AI for cryptocurrency is setting up your development environment. Having a good development environment is crucial for efficiently working with AI and cryptocurrency, and choosing the right tools is essential. The first tool you will need is Python. Python is a popular programming language used by many developers for AI development. It has a large community and a wide range of libraries and tools available, making it an ideal language for building AI models. You can download Python from the official Python website and install it on your PC, Mac, or Linux machine. The next tool you will need is pyTorch. pyTorch is an open-source machine learning framework that is used for building neural networks. It is widely used in the AI community and has become the preferred choice for building deep learning models. pyTorch is easy to use and has a powerful set of features that make it an ideal choice for building complex models. You can download pyTorch from the official pyTorch website and install it on your machine. Another essential tool for AI development is a good integrated development environment, IDE. An IDE is a software application that provides a comprehensive environment for writing, testing, and debugging code. PyCharm is a popular IDE for Python development and has a range of features that make it an ideal choice for building AI models. PyCharm provides a range of tools for code navigation, debugging, and testing, and has a powerful set of plugins for working with pyTorch. In addition to these tools, you will also need to have a good understanding of the fundamental concepts of AI and machine learning. This includes understanding the different types of machine learning algorithms, such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. You will also need to understand the basics of neural networks and their architecture, as well as optimization algorithms and loss functions.